Hello everyone. This chapter shows the eye-in-hand calibration, also called mobile calibration. Before calibration, we need to establish a TCP and make sure the TCP accuracy is qualified. At the same time, we need to select the appropriate base in the robot's teach pendant. Once we are ready, we can start the calibration work. Open the Ailson viewer. Connect the device and perform the accuracy verification. Input the datum information. The input information matches the values on the back of the accompanying calibration board. Enter the calibration interface and make the gray value of the center of the coding point between 100 to 200 by adjusting the exposure and other parameters in the parameter group. Calibrate according to the specific needs of different projects, generally considered better within 0.5. After the accuracy calibration is qualified, we click on the hand-eye calibration. Select eye-in-hand calibration mode. Click Next. Follow the prompts in the pop-up window to enter the information of the datum ruler. The input information should be consistent with the corresponding information pasted on the back of the matching calibration plate. Click Next. Select the angle mode according to the actual use of the robot on site. Click Next. In the calibration setting interface, users can customize the name of the last directory where the calibration data is saved. Okay, note that the calibration plate should not be moved during calibration and should be placed horizontally as far as possible. Place the calibration plate in the center of the field of view and check the distance by adjusting the exposure and other parameters in the right-hand parameter group. The real-time image displayed in the middle window of the interface can be adjusted to achieve a better effect. The calibration process requires teaching 10 to 20 different robot positions. Make sure that the calibration board is in the field of view of the 3D camera for each set of poses. While changing the robot's position significantly, ensure that the robot's attitude change is greater than 15 degrees as far as possible. Be careful not to choose the wrong reference coordinate system for the robot. Next, we start to collect data. When collecting data, there are two ways to acquire the position of the robot. One is to automatically acquire the position of the robot by establishing communication. One is to manually input the position of the robot. Here, we first show how to automatically acquire the position of the robot by establishing communication. Open the communication management and establish communication with the robot. Click Capture Image. Then the software will automatically capture the image and automatically acquire the position of the robot. The captured image and position information will be displayed in the list below. After the acquisition is completed, the robot will automatically arrive at the next position. Then repeat the above acquisition operation. Complete the data acquisition of the robot in different positions. Next, we demonstrate how to get the position of the robot by manual input. First, open the communication management to exit the communication connection of the robot. Click on Acquire Image. At this point, the software will automatically pop up a window. We fill in the current coordinates according to the robot's teach pendant. After clicking OK, the captured image position information will be displayed in the list below. Whether it is automatic acquisition of robot position or manual input of robot position. After collecting 10 to 20 sets of data, click Start calibration. At this time, a pop-up window will prompt you to check again whether the datum information is the same as that on the calibration board. After checking, click OK. After calibration is completed, a pop-up window will prompt the calibration result. The result is for reference only. It should be measured according to the specific requirements of different projects. Generally speaking, 0.5 millimeters or less is better. If the calibration result is poor, you can recalibrate. If the calibration fails, a pop-up box will be prompted. You can switch to the log information to troubleshoot the problem. Calibration results will be automatically saved in the software directory. The log will update the saving path in real time. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.